Shalom Achoti. Have you ever felt called to something ancient and didn't know why? You are not mistaken for craving what is kadosh, the set-apart things of YaHUaH. You were born for Berit, covenant. Here we rise at dawn to excel still, to build, to plant, to walk in tzedakah. And we rest at sunset, to letters to my sisters, to remember who we are and who He has called us to be. This is the Ohel HaImahot HaBerit, the 10th of the Foremothers of the covenant, where the faith of Sarah, Rivcah, and Leah still breathe through the daughters who return. Here, faith becomes knowing, righteousness becomes our adornment, home becomes avodah, worship, and service. The scrolls are not ending, they are still unfolding through you as living testimony of His mercy. Shalom וללילה טוב.